For the perfect poolside snack, I am making my chunky avocado salsa. A little bit of pineapple gives it a real tropical flair. I mean, this might be the best salsa on the planet, I'm just saying. So this is really a combination of guacamole and salsa, all the good things in one, and avocado gets to be the star, and the tomatoes just get to be the sidekick in this dish. I'm just dicing up 3 avocados. Garth makes guacamole and he makes it very smooth, which I like, but I like the chunky, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm gonna add some of that awesome pineapple, some cilantro, some tomatoes, some lime juice, and an onion, and some spices. You know, when you eat this, if you can't go on a vacation like I can't today, then you just make it at home and it kind of feels like you're at the beach. My friend Julie is coming over today, and I don't get to see her very often, and she never takes a vacation. So the fact that she's actually coming here is as close to a vacation as I think she's gonna get. So we're just gonna have fun. We're just gonna hang out and be decadent. You put about 1/4 of an onion in here, and I might go ahead and put a half, because that's a good stack of avocado there. The cool thing about this recipe is that it calls for a certain number of things, but you can kind of eyeball what you like best. So I'm just gonna cut up this onion, kind of a small dice, because I like onion, but I don't like huge chunks of onion in my salsa. And I'm making this thing, it's my staycation, I'm gonna make it how I like it. And then just a small dice. I like grape tomatoes in this, and I just 1/4 that. Just gonna do 10 or 12 of these. I think they're sweet, a little bit sweeter than the big tomato. Vacation food is just a different kind of comfort food. You know, certain foods will take you back to some memory, and it's really like taking you right back to the beach. I can feel my toes in the sand, I can hear that breeze coming off the ocean. Scoop these up and put them in. It's also really a pretty dish, all the bright colors together. It's festive, it's vacation-y. Okay, here's the pineapple. This pineapple I had in Hawaii, oh my goodness, changed my life. About 1/2 cup of pineapple. So I'm just gonna slice nice chunks. Cilantro, very vacation-y. About 1/8 of a cup. So just gonna take off a little bit of that. I'm gonna add a little bit of lime juice to this because it really brings the flavors to life and it keeps the avocados fresh. You just wanna roll it a little bit to get the juices moving in there. Use my handy dandy little juicer. And this is really a to taste thing, but I love the flavor of lime juice. And I like a little heat, so I am adding some crushed red pepper and then about 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt and just a dash of pepper. And then we mix it up and we taste it to make sure that it's good. See, look at all those colors together. It's so pretty. Let's give this a taste. A little bit of everything. Get a little tomato on there, get a little avocado on there, a little onion. Perfect amount of lime juice. Very citrusy.